Are you getting Steam error 102 with the message unable to connect to the servers? Don't worry, you're not alone, and today I'm going to show you a quick foolproof way to fix it and get back to gaming. First, open File Explorer on your computer. If you're not familiar, this is where you navigate through all your files and folders. You can find it on your taskbar or by searching in the Start menu. Next, on the left side, click on This PC. Here, you'll see all the drives connected to your computer. Open your main drive, usually labeled Local Disk C, and then find the folder called Program Files x86. Double-click to open it. Inside, you'll see a folder named Steam. Open it. Now, here's the important part. Highlight all files and folders except for steam.exe and the Steam Apps folder. You can hold down the Control key to make sure these essential files aren't selected. Once you've highlighted the unnecessary files, press Delete or right-click and choose Delete. This removes any corrupted files that might be causing the connection error. Now, go ahead and reopen Steam. When the app launches, it will automatically download any missing files and update itself. This not only fixes error 102, but can also solve minor glitches and improve overall performance. And that's it. Just like that, your Steam client should be running smoothly and you can get back to your games without interruptions. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials.